freelancer or consultant, did you ever wonder, why in the world am I being paid less than what I asked for? There, you must have had your first ever encounter with TDS. Let me also guess that you dread taxes. Well, you've clicked on the right video. Here we begin clueless but end up clear. Continue watching the video to file your returns seamlessly. Hello and welcome, I am Ekta from Clear. We've assisted more than 80,000 tax filers and 6 million tax experts. Do subscribe to support our channel and get clear explanation of finance concepts. In this video, we will see how freelancers and consultants can file their income tax returns. Before we start, let us understand which return is applicable to you. Freelancers and consultants can submit their return either using ITR-3 or ITR-4. ITR-4 is applicable when you declare your income under the Presumptive scheme. Let us quickly understand what Presumptive taxation is. Say if you are a specified professional in the field of legal, medical, engineering, architectural, accountancy, technical consultancy, interior decoration or others as specified, and your total receipts does not exceed Rs 50 lakhs, then you can pay tax on only 50% of your income, that is half your income. Say you are offering services other than these specified professions and the total income from your business does not exceed Rs 2 crore, then you can go ahead and pay tax on only 8% of your income, and this can be further reduced to 6% if all the transactions done by you are in digital modes like say account pay checks, account pay bank drafts or any other electronic mode of payment. If you opt for these schemes, your income will be presumed to be 50% or 8% as the case may be, and you will have to file ITR-4. Also note that it is not mandatory for you to maintain your books of accounts. And if you do not opt for this scheme, you will then have to calculate your income as total receipts minus the expenses. The expenses should have been incurred wholly for your work, say like rent, travel, any other general expenses, and you must use ITR-3 for return filing. For a complete guide on how to file ITR-3, you can check out our previous video. The link will be provided in the description box below. Filing the ITR on or before the due date and with accurate details is of utmost importance. While the government has been making constant efforts to simplify the return filing process, we understand it could get a little overwhelming. But we've got you back. Filing ITR on ClearTax is simple and easy. Let's quickly look at how you can file your ITR-4 on ClearTax. Before we get started, you should have the following documents handy to pace up the return filing process: PAN card, Aadhaar card, your bank account details, and your investment details. Log into your ClearTax account and you can file the ITR-3 in 3 simple steps. To begin your ITR filing, click on the Start Filing button. Now in this step, you will have to link your PAN through an OTP verification. To do that, enter your PAN card number and date of birth and choose a method for OTP verification, which could either be Aadhaar registered mobile number or IT department registered mobile number. On the next screen awaits something exciting for you. Did you know ClearTax pre-fills the salary and personal information details for you? No? Why don't you proceed and try it for yourself? All you have to do is complete another OTP verification and woohoo! It's all here in 5 seconds. Here's a preview of your pre-filled information. Now please check the details and ensure they are correct. If you want to add or edit any information, you can make the changes and proceed. Now go to the Income Sources tab. Here you can enter the details of your rental income or income from house property, income from other sources in the Other Income section, and your capital gains income. ClearTax has partnered with various brokerage firms to capture the capital gains from shares and mutual fund related transactions automatically. We support importing capital gain data directly from platforms like Fairpaisa and Paytm Money. In the capital gain section, click on the relevant platform, Fairpaisa or Paytm Money. You will now be redirected to a new tab where you can log into your broker's account. And after successful login, all your capital gain details will be fetched automatically. Now what if you are registered with other brokers like say ClearTax, Scams, Grow, ICICI Direct, Zerodha, KFintech and Cardway? Then click on the button, click here if you sold any assets and upload the capital gains report. Now how do we do that? Click on Upload File And on the right, you can see the guides on how to download the report on all these platforms. Upload it and all your capital gains from shares and mutual funds will be captured automatically. I know at this stage you really want to thank us. You are welcome. Now click on Add Income from Business. Here you will see a section Add Income under 44 ADA. Select that. Now select the nature of your business and enter the details of your gross receipts. Now take 50% of that amount as total income. Now go back to the dashboard and scroll down to enter the details of speculative incomes if you have them. Say the gains that you made from intraday trading. Now under the deductions tab, review all the investment details like LIC, PPF, etc. which are all captured. If you want to add more tax saving details, you can always edit the fields and claim the tax benefits here. Say interest earned on your savings accounts of up to Rs 10,000 can be claimed under Section 80 TTA. So watch out for the tax saving tips which are prompted to you on the screen and optimize your tax savings. If you scroll down below, you can enter the details of your tax paid. All the details of the tax that was deducted earlier from your invoice amount must be added here. You can also add these details by uploading Form 26AS. In the case of uploading Form 26AS, please remember to enter the income details as only TDS or the tax details gets auto-populated from the form. Now let's look at the conditions in the other disclosures tab. If any of them apply to you, then fill in the corresponding section. Say you own shares of an unlisted company, then you will have to enter the details here. Now we have reached the final stage. Wasn't it quick? On this screen, you will see a tax summary. You will have to choose the same regime that you chose last year. If you wish to opt for a new regime for the very first time, then please note that you will not be allowed to change it in the next year. You will have to continue with the new regime. Review all the details in the summary report and proceed to e-filing. Once these parts are filled, you would also provide a self-declaration. Please note that making a false statement in the return or in any of the schedules shall lead to prosecution. Therefore, it is extremely important to furnish accurate details in ITR. You will need to declare that all the information in the return, including the amounts, is true to your knowledge. You can now make the payment by clicking on Proceed to e-file. And while we talk about payments, who doesn't like some discount coupons, right? Here you go. You can click on View Coupons and apply one of the relevant coupons listed here, and there's your discount. On completion of payment, you will see a success message like this. Finally, the ITR is successfully submitted to the Income Tax Department. You can see the success message like this, which will have your e-filing acknowledgement number. Once your return is filed, e-verifying your income tax return is a must. Verification of return is important to complete the return filing process because uploading ITR alone does not complete the process. Now, how do we do that? Verification of your return can be done in two ways. Either instant e-verification, which happens only online, or verification at a later date, which is to be completed within 120 days of your return filing, and this can be done either online or offline by sending an ITRV to CPC Bangalore via post. If you choose to do it online, then it can be done through either DSC, that is Digital Signature Certificate, or through authentication of the process using an electronic verification code or a pre-validated bank account or DMAT account, or through an OTP which is sent to your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Verification through an OTP sent on Aadhaar registered mobile number is widely used. And note that if you are required to get a tax audit done, then the process is a little different. You will have to file the audit report electronically before filing the ITR, and it is mandatory for you to e-verify the ITR through a digital signature. So this was a detailed guide on how to file your ITR on ClearTax. If you have any queries, let us know in the comment section below. With the due dates for tax filing fast approaching, use ClearTax to self-file your ITR. We also have plans where you can avail expert assistance for return filing, which also provides for post-return filing support. Also, we are available to assist you live online for 100% transparent and accurate filing. I hope this video was helpful for you. For queries related to business or taxation, you can contact our experts by clicking on the chat link provided in the description box below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more such informative videos. Bye-bye.